Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to build a super handy Python script that can automatically download images from the web using just one simple library. Let's get started. Follow my steps. We're using a library called a crawler. It helps us search and download images from Bing. Next, we ask the user to type a keyword. This will be what we search for. Now, we create the crawler and tell it where to save the images. Finally, this line starts the download. It will get 10 images based on your keyword. Run the code. Let's try it. I'll type laptop, and just like that, 10 images are downloaded into a folder called laptop. Here, a folder is created, and inside it, images are started to download. Check one of them. You can see very beautiful laptop images are downloaded just in a second. Again, I would like to download coding images. Similarly, coding folder is created and images are downloading. Check them. That's it. Super easy, right? If this helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Python projects. Additionally, you can make it more beautiful and interactive. Here, you can display messages like images are downloading, images are being searched, images are processing, which may add more attraction. Thanks for watching. See you on next video.